Most freelancers are one bad month away from financial disaster. Imagine making great money one month, then nothing the next. Bills piling up, panic setting in. Sound familiar? Most freelancers fail because they treat income like a paycheck. But pros? They use a system, one that ensures stability and wealth. Act 1. The problem. Freelance income is unpredictable. One month you're flush with cash. The next, you're living on instant noodles. The mistake? Spending everything when times are good and scrambling when they're not. But there's a smarter way. Act 2. The solution. 1. Pay yourself a salary. Keep all earnings in a business account. Pay yourself a fixed amount monthly, just like a 9-to-5. 2. Follow the 50-30-20 rule. Needs, 50%. Wants, 30%. Savings, 20%. Simple, effective. 3. Build a slow month fund. Set aside 3 to 6 months of expenses so dry months don't ruin you. 4. Invest your profits. Put money into index funds or real estate. Wealth isn't what you earn, it's what you keep and grow. Act 3. The payoff. Imagine stress-free finances. No panic, just security. But will you actually do it? Or keep hoping for the best? Avoid the 5 biggest financial mistakes in your 20s. Watch this next before it's too late.